Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. A gift that can last more than a lifetime. Not Forgotten is a company that creates digital video time capsules, either do-it-yourself or professionally done, and archives them along with a genealogy record so they can be accessed for decades and even centuries from now. Co-founder Adrienne Liebenberg.
So we've established a trust fund to oversee the library and preservation activities. All of that is about making sure that your video will be available to be watched for 300 years. The second part is to help your family and researchers find those videos. We put a huge amount of effort into creating proof of existence.
You can buy as a gift or for yourself with pricing starting at $79. Find more at not-forgotten.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C. Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C. Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C. Crane.